everyone, I am Ekta Chandu Singh Melde. I am the student of BSc third year at MSP Art Science and KPT Commerce College, Manora, Department of Physics. My project topic is electromagnetic induction. Aim to study the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction. Introduction. Electromagnet. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by electric current. The magnetic field disappears when the current is turned off. Then induction. This process of generating current in a conductor by placing the conductor in a changing magnetic field is called as induction. Then electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction is the production of a potential difference voltage across the conductor when it is exposed to a varying magnetic field. Magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is defined as the product of the magnetic flux density and the area normal to the field through which the field is passing. It is scalar quantity and its SI unit is the Weber. Then principle of electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction or sometimes just induction is a process where an inductor placed in a changing magnetic field or a conductor moving through a stationary magnetic field causes the production of a voltage across the conductor. This process of electromagnetic induction in turn causes an electrical current. It is said to induce the current. Then theory of electromagnetic induction. Invention. Mitchell Faraday is generally credited with the discovery of induction in 1831, though many have been anticipated by the work. Then around 1830 to 1832, Joseph Henry made a similar discovery but did not publish his findings until later. Induced EMF. If magnetic flux through a coil, this effect was first observed and explained by Ampere and Faraday between 1825 and 1831. Faraday discovered that an EMF could be generated either by then moving the coil or the source of flux relative to each other by then the magnitude of the source of magnetic flux in some way. The Lenz's law. When a EMF is generated by a change in magnetic flux, according to Faraday's law, the polarity of the induction EMF is such that it produces a current whose magnetic field opposes the change which produces it. Then procedure of electromagnetic induction. Take a coil of wire having a large number of turns and connect the end of the coil to a galvanometer. Take a strong bar magnet and moving its north pole into the coil and observe the change in the galvanometer needle. Then repeat earlier step with the south pole of the bar magnet. Now repeat the procedure with the coil having a different number of turns and the variation in the deflection of the galvanometer needle. Then application of electromagnetic induction. Electrical generator. The EMF generated by Faraday's law of induction due to relative moment of a circuit and a magnetic field is the phenomenon underlying electrical generators. If the wire is connected through an electrical load, current will flow and thus electrical energy is generated, converting the mechanical energy of motion to electrical energy. Electrical transformer. The EMF predicated by Faraday's law is also responsible for electrical transformer. When the electrical current in a loop of wire changes, the changing current creates a changing magnetic field. If the two ends of this loop are connected through an electrical load, current will flow. Then conclusion. From this experiment, Faraday law concluded that whenever there is relative motion between a conductor and a magnetic field, the flux linkage with a coil changes and this change in flux induces a voltage across a coil. Then reference wikipedia.com and Google search.